Hi, welcome back to the Rural Project. So in my previous videos you'll have seen me auger the holes and put the piles in, pouring the concrete for the piles. And then more recent videos you'll see me just cleaning up the pile caps in preparation for today. And what we've got happening here now is the slab being poured by a local contractor. Really happy with the results. There's just a few videos and some photographs showing the day as it unfolded. So exciting times here on the Rural Project. It's absolutely fantastic to finally see this concrete going in. This is after over a year of planning and permit approvals from the local council, and then the whole thing having to be put on hold due to COVID. But here we are today and the concrete is finally going in. And in true Melbourne fashion, just after we got the whole lot set, it started to rain and we had a real heavy downpour. Now I was after a burnished finish on the concrete, which requires a lot of power trowel work. Unfortunately the rain set us back quite a bit of time and we ended up power troweling into the night. The results are not absolutely perfect, but I'm really happy with them. Much better than just having a brush finish. So now this is all done, it's time to get the contractor in and start the build.